Welcome to our YouTube video, where we explore the world of privacy-focused technology. Today, we're diving into the world of DuckDuckGo, a company best known for its privacy-centric search engine. But did you know they offer more than just a search engine? That's right! DuckDuckGo also provides a web browser and private email addresses, all designed with your privacy in mind. And here's the best part. DuckDuckGo is now incorporating AI technology into their products, all while maintaining their commitment to keeping your data safe, so you can enjoy the benefits of artificial intelligence without sacrificing your privacy. Join us as we take a closer look at how DuckDuckGo is revolutionizing the tech industry by putting your privacy first. Don't miss out on this exciting journey into the world of privacy-focused technology. DuckDuckGo has taken a unique approach to privacy-centric AI development. Rather than creating its own, it has opted to provide access to chatbots developed by other companies. Currently, it offers access to OpenAI's GPT 3.5, Claude 3 Haiku, as well as the open-sourced Meta Llama 3 and Mixtral 8x7b. However, what sets DuckDuckGo apart is its commitment to keeping your interactions anonymous by default. This means that your chats are not only kept private, but also anonymized by DuckDuckGo itself. DuckDuckGo plays the role of a mediator, relaying your input to the chatbot in question. This ensures that the bot only obtains DuckDuckGo's IP address, not yours. Moreover, before sending those chat requests, the company takes the necessary steps to eliminate any metadata that might include additional personal details. DuckDuckGo ensures that your chats are not permanently saved, although some AI providers may store them temporarily. However, DuckDuckGo has agreements in place with these providers to delete the chats within 30 days. This ensures that the contents of your conversations cannot be used for AI model training. Moreover, by acting as the middleman, DuckDuckGo ensures that your conversations remain untraceable to you. Discover the wonders of DuckDuckGo AI Chat today. Experience it firsthand by visiting either duck.ai or duck.ai or duck.com chat. Alternatively, you can find the chat tab conveniently located on the right side of the DuckDuckGo search results page, just below the search bar. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to engage with our AI chat feature. DuckDuckGo AI is available for free, however, there will be a daily usage cap. Paid options to extend these limits or unlock advanced models are not available at the moment, but the company is open to the possibility in the future. Additionally, DuckDuckGo has assured users that more chat models will be introduced to the system, which could potentially include models created by DuckDuckGo or its users.